Through its advanced ASU unit, Quantum Lite does far more than just detect targets. It excels at visualizing them with high-resolution 3D ground imaging. Whether the object is ancient or recently buried, large or small, shallow or deep, this cutting-edge system captures it with clarity and precision. Thanks to this exclusive technology, Quantum Lite is the first device of its kind in the world to offer such a capability, placing it in a league of its own and giving it a clear advantage over any other detector on the market today. In the next test, we'll demonstrate the power of this system using the live ground imaging mode. First, we pass a gold bracelet in front of the device. Instantly, the screen displays a vivid purple visual confirming the detection, along with distinctive yellow indicators that clearly identify the object as gold. Following the successful detection of gold, we move on to an iron sample. The device responds immediately, displaying a strong red visual on the screen, paired with clear numeric values that identify the metal as iron with accuracy and confidence. This full-color feedback system ensures that every type of target is instantly recognizable by both color and data, minimizing guesswork and maximizing results. Now, we move to the 3D ground imaging system. We're about to showcase a level of detection never before possible with any other imaging device. With the help of one of my colleagues, we pass a gold bracelet in front of the Quantum Lite. Instantly, the screen displays a clear purple response along with an approximate 3D visual representation of the object. Using the device's advanced analytical tools, we can analyze the image directly on screen with high precision, identifying the type of metal and determining its depth clearly and accurately right before our eyes. Thanks to the available features, we can easily save scanned images of detected metals directly to the device's memory. This functionality is extremely useful for professionals who want to document their findings. Through the advanced analysis mode, users can unlock a whole new level of detail by viewing the detected object in fully interactive 3D. You can rotate the model freely, explore it from any angle, and closely examine the object's shape and position relative to the ground. The system also allows for precise depth measurement, enabling you to estimate how deep the target lies beneath the surface with just a glance. And with full zoom capabilities, you can zoom in for a closer look at fine details or zoom out for a broader overview, giving you total control over the visualization and evaluation process.